If you're seeing this on December 11th and this message is for you, your spirit guides made sure this found you because this energy that I'm picking up on resonates for you. So let's get into what I am seeing as I shuffle the cards with the intention of reading your energy. We had the Two of Cups fly on out, and then we had the Nine of Pentacles along with the Hermit, okay? Now, if you're new here, I don't always read my cards by the textbook definition. I like to look at the energy and ask the cards, what are you telling me? What do we need to know? And I read it psychically and intuitively. So when I looked at these cards, I heard right away, first of all, I'm seeing a secret admirer. That's the kind of energy that I'm feeling, okay? With the Hermit here, this stood out to me so strongly. Like someone is watching you, and I feel like they have their eye on you and they like you, but they're not coming out in the open with it, right? Like just like this angel's like in the darkness. That's how this person is. Like you don't know about them. You might have like a suspicion, because there could be someone who pops into your mind a lot who, for some reason you're just thinking of them a lot. That could be this person, but this could also be someone that you don't even know. Maybe you've met them like once because they obviously know you, but this is someone who you're not like talking to. You don't know that they're watching you. You don't know that they're your secret admirer. They think very fondly of you. They like everything about you too. I feel like you're so cool. Like they think you're a cool person. They're like, not only is this person amazing, I love their energy, but I just like who they are as a person. I want to be like them. Like I admire them. With the Nine of Pentacles, I feel like your life is about to get so much better financially. Whenever I pulled this card, you guys, I saw in my mind's eye 3.5 million. Yes, so I don't know what that's about. I don't know if you're going to be like selling a house and getting that amount of money. I don't know if you've started a business and you're going to be gaining that much money, or perhaps you're making a huge investment and it's going to earn you that much money. You'll have to see how this plays out, but I specifically saw 3.5 million. So I feel like that's something that's going to be coming to you. It's interesting. It's like you're like leveling up, and you have these secret admirer, and with the Two of Cups, right? That's the other card that came out. It makes me feel like there is love coming into your life. Now, is it with the secret admirer? I don't know, because you guys all have different energy, right? I'm just giving you a collective read. I'd have to read you individually to let you know if it's going to actually be coming for you. But with this, it makes me feel like you do have the secret admirer and you're going to have love in your life. So perhaps some of you will meet with the secret admirer and that will be the love connection. But for some of you, this will be, maybe you're in a relationship already and there's this new energy coming in to where you guys fall back in love again. This could be, maybe you're just talking to someone and it's going to end up being the person you marry. So this can manifest for a lot of different reasons, a lot of different ways for you. So if this found you, that's what I feel strongly in your energy that you need to hear. So let me know if this resonated. And if you want your own reading, email me and you'll get information on how to go about doing that. And last but not least, if you like these cards, these are my personal tarot cards that I designed. They are available in the TikTok shop, but when they're gone, they're gone. I'm not going to get any more. So if this interests you, go over there and get them now while they're still available. If you don't see them in the TikTok shop, then email me. Okay? Bye, guys.